friends, and welcome back to Fit Kids TV. I'm Miss Sarah.
And I'm Miss Tash. And today we're going to make a volcano. Miss Sarah, do you know what we need for our volcano?
I think, well, we've got a plastic bottle here.
Yeah.
I think maybe we need some bicarb soda.
And guess what I have here?
Wow, yay! Okay, so I'm going to hold this. This is 1 tablespoon. And Miss Tash, can you pour some?
Oops.
1 tablespoon?
You might need some help with this one.
Okay, so I'm going to hold the bottle and I'm going to shuffle this in here. Maybe I'll use my fingers.
Yeah, maybe. That's alright.
So
it's fun to get our hands dirty.
Yeah, I love getting my hands dirty with this. Just put that all in there. Maybe we can put some more because not all of that went in.
Yeah.
Just a bit more.
Oops.
That's
Definitely
okay.
going everywhere.
It's okay. We like to get a bit messy. Well, with what we're going to do next, Miss Tash, we're going to get a bit more messier.
Ooh,
So
I can't wait.
that's all in there. It's nice and all in there. I'll give that to you. Now, next, what do you think that we could do to build a volcano?
Maybe we can add some sand around it. Do you reckon, Miss
Yeah.
Sarah?
Do you think some dry sand or some wet sand will work better?
I reckon some wet sand. What do you think, Miss Sarah?
I think so. I think that'll hold up nice and strong.
Alright. Look what we have here.
Wow, this is amazing.
Alright. Let's work together to build a volcano.
All right.
We'll build the base first.
Nice and big.
So we're going to build up around the bottom, Miss Sarah, do you think?
I think so. You teach
Alright.
me how. You show me how to do it, Miss
Alright.
Tash.
How high should we make our volcano, Miss
Well,
Sarah?
I think we can go very high. Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait.
What I love about this sand, wet sand, is doesn't matter what you do, it just fall naturally.
Oops.
See? Like that.
Maybe a little bit more at the front, I reckon. And then I think we have a good looking volcano there.
Mm-hmm.
Do you reckon we should add some leaves and that around our volcano to make it look more natural?
I think so, yeah. It look good.
Some leaves, some bark.
Alright. Now, Miss Tash, how do you think we can make the volcano eruption?
I reckon with some vinegar.
Yay! Let's put some in. How
But-
much?
I was thinking, Miss Sarah, before we do that, should we add some food colouring in so we can make our volcano explosion colourful?
I think so. That'll be so cool. So fun to watch.
What colour should we add, Miss Sarah?
Hmm.
I have red, yellow and blue.
Maybe Tommy the T-Rex can choose. Which one would you like, Tommy? Maybe the red one.
The red one, Tommy? Okay.
Good job, Tommy. You see back down there.
How much should we add, Miss Sarah?
I think add a couple of drops in. There we go.
You might need someone's help with that one too.
Yes.
Alright.
Do you want to do the honours, Miss Tash, or shall I?
Shall we both do it, Miss Sarah?
That's a great idea. 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Look
That
at
is so cool, Miss Sarah.
Oh my goodness. That's pretty amazing.
Now, Miss Sarah, what could we do next that's fun?
I think a nice painting activity will go good with this. Maybe we can make our own paint.
No way.
I think so.
I can't wait.
Yay! Hey friends, and now we're going to make some textured paint. So, Miss Tash, what do we need to make this textured paint?
We need some water, some baby rice cereal,
Yeah.
and some food dye.
Okay. So, what do we need to start with? Do we-
Our cereal first, Miss Sarah.
Alrighty. Now, for everyone that's at home, this paint is actually good for all ages. So, for all ages, children of all ages to use. So, we're going to put how many cups of baby cereal?
Let's go 2 cups, Miss Sarah.
Alrighty.
Oops. It's okay, we went a little bit over.
That's okay. And then we need to add some water, right?
Yes.
I'll
Thanks,
hold this one.
Sarah. We're going to add a cup and a half. Can you tell me when I'm up to that, Miss Sarah, please?
1 cup and a half, so right here. And stop. Thank you.
Now, for our water, we're going to slowly add that in and mix it with a paintbrush.
Alrighty, so I'm going to slowly add the water in.
And we're going to mix it.
This looks like so much fun.
It is, Miss Sarah. I can't wait to paint.
I know. I think I'm going to paint our volcano that we just made.
Ooh, I think I might paint the volcano and our dinosaurs, Miss Sarah.
Oh, yeah, that'll be
Because we have
fun.
lots of friends here.
Yeah.
Oop, I think we might need a bit more water, Miss Sarah. What do you think?
I think so. Still looks a bit pluggy.
Alright, let's add some more water. So how much water are we now adding, Miss Sarah?
Maybe 1 cup
1 cup. Alright, can you tell me when it's up to 1 cup?
and stop.
Okay. Alright, we'll slowly add that one in, Miss Sarah.
Yeah.
So I think we're slowly getting there.
Remember, Miss Tash uses textured paint. So it
Yeah.
can be whatever texture you like.
Do you want your paint a little bit clunky or smooth, Miss Sarah?
I think clunky will be fun to paint with.
So you happy with this consistency, Miss Sarah?
It looks good.
Alright. Now, Miss Sarah, we've got little tubs on our sides, so maybe we can add a little bit of our paint in there and we can make some coloured
Different
paint.
colours
And I've got little spoons here for us
to scoop it up in.
to scoop it up. What colours are you going to make, Miss Sarah?
I think I want to start with some yellow paint.
Ooh. Alright, we'll set this one to the side, Miss Sarah. You've
Yep.
got all your paints?
I sure do.
Oops, sorry.
Got in there.
Alright, so you want to start with the yellow?
Yes, please. What colour are you going to start with, Miss Tash?
I'm going to start with some blue.
Very good.
And we'll get our paintbrushes of our friends here as well, Miss Sarah.
Add a couple of drops.
Couple of
Maybe
drops.
a bit more than a couple of drops.
Borrow this one. Wow, Miss Sarah, look, I've got blue paint.
Wow, that's amazing. Can I borrow this paintbrush, Tommy? Thank you very much.
How's your yellow paint?
Wow,
That
look
is
at
so
that.
cool.
This is so much fun.
Yeah, I love making my own paint. Now, Miss Sarah, I have a question for you.
Yes.
What do you think will happen when I add red food dye and blue food dye together?
Oh, I think that makes a different colour.
Should we find out?
Yeah, let's
Yeah?
find out what colour it makes.
Add a little bit of blue. Oh,
And a bit of red.
and a bit of red.
I'll get a paintbrush for you. Ready?
Oh, thanks, Miss Sarah.
There you go. Let's mix it all together and see what colour it makes. That looks like it's purple.
Wow,
Oh.
that's really cool, Miss Sarah.
Whoa. What a lovely shade of purple that is as well. I think it really mixes in with our volcano theme.
Yeah. I wonder what other colours we can make with our 3 colours up here, Miss Sarah. Because these are our primary colours.
Yeah, primary colours, when you add them together, they make secondary colours.
Yeah.
I think let's try and mix blue and yellow together.
Alright, I'll add the blue.
And I'll add the yellow. We'll do this one.
Yep.
A little bit of yellow.
And a little bit of blue. Now, let's mix that together, Miss Sarah, and see what that makes.
Let's see.
Is that green, Miss Sarah?
It sure is, Miss Tash.
Oh, that is
Look
so
at that.
cool.
nice earthy green. Oop,
Oop,
just dropped a little bit.
that's okay.
That's
Look,
alright.
it didn't stain you.
No, it didn't. See? Very good if the children want to play with it. If you want to play with it. Let's put that in here because we don't need
Yeah.
any more water, do we, Miss Tash?
No, Miss Sarah.
No. So let's put that in there. And do you want to keep mixing this while I just wipe my hair, Miss Tash?
Sure, Miss Sarah. Now, Miss Sarah, what other colours should we try to make with our colours here?
Now, let's see. If we mix red and yellow, what colours do you think that makes?
I think we should find out.
Alrighty. I'll do the red one.
And was it yellow, Miss Sarah?
Yes.
Yep.
Because we haven't done those colours yet, have we? No. Bit of red. Maybe Sally, we can get the paintbrush from Sally. Thank you, Sally.
Thanks, Sally. Alright, wonder what colour that's going to
Do you
make.
want to mix?
Oh, thanks, Miss Sarah. Thanks for sharing.
That's okay.
Wow, Miss Sarah. It's
What colour
made
did it make?
an orange.
Oh,
A
wow.
nice orange for us today.
That's nice. I like that orange.
Yeah, I do too.
Do we think if we add a bit more yellow in it, it could become a bit more
Yeah.
yellow? A bit more like lighter?
Yeah, I reckon. Let's give it a try, Miss Sarah.
Let's do it. Let's see what happens if we add some more. Didn't really change too much, but that's okay.
That's okay. It might
Good
look
try.
different on the paper though, Miss
Paper.
Sarah.
Yeah, it might.
Yeah.
And for the last colour, what colour do you think we should do?
Maybe just plain red, Miss Sarah.
I think so. We don't have red yet.
Yeah.
That'd be good.
And we can use the last paintbrush I have here, Miss Sarah, to paint with to
Very
mix
good.
our red. Did you want to mix the red, Miss Sarah?
Yes, please, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
That'd be nice to mix the last colour. There we go. We've got some nice red.
Ooh, I like that red. It's nice and
Paint.
light as well, Miss Sarah.
Yeah. Alrighty. Shall we start painting?
Yeah, can't wait.
Alrighty. Let's see.
Ooh, I think I'm going to start with the red, Miss Sarah.
I'm going to start with green to make some grass.
Ooh, I'm going to make my volcano first.
Oh, that sounds good.
Ooh, you got some nice long grass there, Miss Sarah.
Yeah. Wow, look at your volcano. That looks awesome.
Aw, thanks, Miss Sarah.
I might make a purple volcano.
Ooh, a purple volcano. That's pretty cool, Miss
Yeah.
Sarah.
I love purple. It's my favorite color and I like to use it on everything.
Do you?
Yeah.
I'm going to add some grass as well. At all different lengths, Miss Sarah.
Very good. Whoa, that's long grass you've got there, Miss
Yeah.
Tash.
I might put a sun in mine, Miss Sarah. It's going to be a nice sunny day when my volcano erupts.
That's so cool. Miss Tash, I want to make some lava, but I might use my fingers to make the lava.
Ooh.
'Cause I really want to fill this paint.
Yeah,
I'm going to use some of the orange that we made.
that's a good idea, Miss Sarah.
Wow.
I'm going to do blue lava, and guess what? I'm even going to use my fingers as well, Miss Sarah.
That's so cool. It feels awesome.
Oh, wow. I love the feeling. It's nice and smooth, Miss Sarah, don't you reckon?
It is. It's made a bit of a mess, but that is a-okay.
Well, at least we know we're having fun.
Yeah. Guess that one.
Your volcano looks so cool, Miss Sarah.
So does yours, Miss Tash.
Thanks, Miss Sarah.
What else does
I'm going to add a dinosaur to mine.
Ooh, that's
gonna
so
add a
cool.
Purple dinosaur. Maybe I can paint Frankie over here.
Wow, that's so cool. You're going to have a feature in Mrs. Tash's artwork, Frankie.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Let's see if I can do that.
I'm going to do a nice blue sky.
think he needs a
Whoa.
horn. He looks about done. Look at there's
Yeah.
Frankie.
Hey, Frankie, look at you.
Maybe we can bring Frankie over and show him. Look, Frankie, it's you. How cool is that?
There we go.
I think I'm done, Miss Sarah.
So do I. I think I'm done as well. Thank you
love
for joining us today, and we hope you had so much fun.
Don't forget to tune in Monday to Friday.
At 10:30 a.m. and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!